Alright, so this is going to be a quick demo on my application, which is called LDEngine. It's really basic, nothing fancy, nothing too complicated. It's more of a starting point for a game engine. So first off, when you first launch it, you get this welcome screen, which has two panels. The left-hand side panel, which allows you to switch tabs. For example, sign-in tab, you can go into the forgot your password tab or page, or however you want to call it. And from there, you can also go to the new user tab and create a new user. On the right-hand side, we got this slideshow, which we can work around with and maybe add some functionality to it. So let's say you have a Discord server, you can just add links and invite codes and buttons that are gonna invite you to the group. Or maybe you have some news and stuff you want to share with the community, you can just post them. So yeah, this is just a placeholder. You can work around with it however you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new user. Just call it test, put a password in, make sure we confirm it, and then an email, and just gonna go ahead and sign up. And as you can see, our new account has been registered successfully. So we're just gonna go ahead and sign in with it, and just gonna go test, put a password in, and there you go. This is the actual application, like the actual mini game engine. And it's pretty simple to use and not too complicated. So it goes like this. We have this tab of options right here. Most important would be the insert tab, where we can insert shapes and lights and whatever. Next up, we got the movement buttons. We can go ahead and enable these so that our keys and mouse are going to determine the camera to move around the scene. So if we press keys right now, we can move around the scene. Also, we can use our mouse to just look around. I'm just going to go ahead and insert shapes. I'm going to add a sphere, let's say, and a box. As you can see, our shapes are being added by default in the middle of the 3D scene. I can just go ahead and click on them and then drag them around so I can move them. Also notice that when I click something, you just their draw type changes so that we know which shape has been focused. Also, you can use the list on the left hand side to cycle through objects and select them. Notice that when you click a certain object, the corresponding menu opens up on the right side, so you can modify its properties. So let's say I want to move this sphere to this position. I don't want to rotate it, obviously it's not going to make a difference. And I'm just going to scale it, so let's say 40. And I'm going to give it a blue color, maybe change its ID. And I'm going to go ahead and click apply. And as you can see, our sphere has moved and change the size and color. If I refresh this, it's gonna bring us the new ID that I've chosen for the sphere. Also, if I click this X button after I've selected a certain shape, I can delete it from the scene. So that's it for the demo, and thank you for watching.